Hi, it's Annie again, and we are going to do our final unit test. In this scenario, we're going to imagine that you are out climbing with friends, and your friends are mostly taking care of all of the systems and leading the whole day. But you are a knowledgeable participant, and you are a valuable part of the double checking process. So as we go through some imagined scenarios here, please do your best to answer the questions with the best answers available to you. Okay, here we go. So starting with, we are on the ground, and before anyone climbs, we're going to kind of pre-rig our harnesses with a few things. Okay. And we're going to use a cordelette at the anchor. So we have to tie together the ends. Okay. And now the climber will tie in on one end of the rope. Okay, all the way on the other end of this rope. I'm going to go to the tail. And what should we do here? Okay, so imagining now that we have done the climb and we are at the top of the route, and it was a very long route. We brought 2 ropes with us, and we're going to need both ropes to rappel down. In other words, we're going to need to tie together 2 ropes to come down. So I can tether onto this anchor here using one of 2 methods. If I were to tether straight off from this rope, I could use a clove hitch. And now, of course, one of the ropes that I want to use to rappel with is all tied up. I'm using it for something else. So instead of doing this, I am going to tether with my PAS and bring it up just a little bit. Okay. Once you're tethered, you can start undoing systems and rearranging things. Okay. All right, so imagining I don't want to drop this rope, I'm going to throw in. Oh, that looks weird. There. Just to make sure it doesn't drop. Now I'm going to take my other rope and lace it through the wrap rings up here and join the 2 ropes together. Okay. And now we'll set up an extended rappel. Of course, we did not go over rappelling in this course, but we will in another course. But we did go over friction hitches. What would be a good friction hitch to put in for a third hand on a rappel? Okay, so I have an extended rappel set up here with my auto block as a third hand. What do I need to do with the ends of the rope before I throw them over? Yes, backup knots. Backup knots in the end of the ropes are closing the system. Okay, yay! How did you do?